This AI tool will completely build you a full-fledged website in under a minute. And in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how. As a matter of fact, we are going to be building an e-commerce store with this AI builder, and all I will have to do is actually impute the type of website that we need and a few other basic information. And what is going to happen is that it's going to generate a complete website with unique images, text, and all the other contents that we actually do need. You're also going to be able to customize your website further using AI tools for things like favicon, SEO, and a whole lot of other stuff. I'm going to be showing you guys everything in this particular video, hence the need for you to stick around till the very end. Now, usually building a website will require a lot of different players. You need a programmer to actually write the codes. You also be needing a designer to design the images and all the other graphics, a project manager who would oversee the whole project and communicate with the client. And usually this process takes weeks depending on how large the project is. So let's get this done in the next few minutes. So what you need to do to get started is to click on the first link in my video description. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to Hostinger website builder, right? And if you come down right here, you're going to see that there are two different options that you can actually choose from. Now, a lot of persons would actually be inclined to go for this because it's 2.99 as opposed to 3.99. But personally, and from personal experience, I would encourage you guys to actually go for this, and I'm going to be explaining why as we proceed into this video. Now, this is the premium website builder and this is the business website builder. Now, this business website builder is actually the better option, and like I said, I'm going to be showing you guys why. So let's scroll down a bit. You're going to see the fact that for both of them, you're going to be getting free domain name, which is worth about $10. You're going to be getting it for free, completely free. Okay, you also get free email. You also get drag and drop editor on both, 150 templates on both of them, marketing integrations, mobile editing, 30 days money back guarantee. What this means, I can actually sign up for this right now, and in the next 30 days, if you don't like the service, you can basically ask for your money back and it will be returned to you completely. So there's also 24/7 support. Now, the AI tools as well, you see there's AI website builder on both of them, but this business plan has the AI image generator. This guy doesn't have it. There's also AI writer. The premium doesn't have it. There's also AI blog generator, which can generate a whole blog for you. This guy doesn't have it. There's the heat maps. This guy doesn't have it. There's also SEO tools. This guy doesn't have it, but the business plan actually have AI SEO tools. Now, when it comes to e-commerce, the premium website builder plan doesn't have e-commerce features at all, while this has e-commerce features, 0% transaction fee, which means that any person that pays you on your website, you are not going to be charged a transaction fee unlike most other payment platforms. And of course, you also have 20+ payment methods integrated on this particular platform. So I will encourage you guys to actually go ahead and choose this plan. Now, the monthly cost of this plan is $3.99, but I would encourage you guys to go for a 1-year plan because that way you actually get to save a lot more than just 71%. So I'm going to be choosing this plan right now. So I'm going to hit choose plan, and of course you're going to be getting about 71% discount. So I'm going to be choosing this 12 months plan. You know, so the higher plan that you choose, the more reduction you get in terms of discount. So I'm going to be sticking with 12. You can actually go for 48 months, which is completely fine, right? You get the first 3 months free, and you also get to save $480, right? If you choose 24 months, you're going to be saving $240. And if you choose 12 months, you're going to be saving $420. So I'm going to come here and select this, right? Then you can actually log into your account if you have an existing account on Hostinger. If you don't, you can actually click here and set up an account with your Google account. You can put your email address right here, put in your password right here, and of course make payments. You can pay with your credit card, which is fine. 12-month plans will cost you $47 only instead of $160. Backup 0.00 for domain name, setup fee 0.00, and of course domain privacy 0.00. But if you actually go for this plan, you're going to be paying a setup fee of $4.99, right? So but all these other ones, you're going to get it for free. So you can also pay with PayPal, pay with Google Pay, Alipay, or even pay with crypto, using CoinGate, right? So I'm going to be paying with my credit card right now. So what I'm going to do is I'll put in my first name right here, my last name, of course, my phone number, select my country. This is optional. All these are optional. Okay, so I'm going to put in your card information, very important. I'm putting the name of my card, put it right here, the expiry date of my card, the CVV number, which is usually behind your card, put it right here, and of course the card number, put it right here. I hit submit secure payment, and that's all you need to do. So you can put online hustle right here where it says coupon code to get a 10% discount. So I have paid for my account and I'm logged in right here right now. I can see it on my laptop screen. So I'm going to click about free domain name now. I'm going to click on claim domain name. Right, let's see if our domain is available. I'm going to say onlinehustlestore.com. Let's say I want to use a .com. Check availability. Check it if it's available. Right now, this will normally cost $16.99, $17, but we're getting it for free for a year. right? Your domain name renews at this point, at this particular day. So we're getting this for a year, completely 1 year. So I'm going to come here and hit claim domain name, and our domain name has been claimed. Easy peasy. So you can basically register your domain name and all of that. Personal, I'm going to hit say next. Your first name, your last name, your email address, all of those things. I'm going to put it right here. Domain name will be registered using these details. Providing incorrect details may lead to domain suspension. Everything is fine. I'm going to leave everything the way it is. I'm going to hit finish registration. So it says that the phone number is required. So I'm going to put in my phone number right here, right now. So I'm going to hit finish registration, and this is loading up right now. Beautiful, great news. Your domain name Online Hustle Store is being secured. Get ready to go online. I'm going to hit continue. We need to also verify our email address too. Let me resend email verification, right? So I can verify my email address. So this is the email from Hostinger. I'm going to hit verify email, and our email has been verified. You see that disappears. Now the next thing for us to do is to set up our business hosting account on Hostinger. So I'm going to click setup. And who is this website for? It's for myself, for my business. I'm going to hit next. Do you want to create or migrate a website? I'm going to say I will create a website, which is what we're going to be doing. An AI builder is going to be doing it for us in this particular video. Now you have an option to migrate your existing website, or you can hire a professional to build your website for you, which will actually cost you a lot of money. So I'm going to say I will create a website. So I'm going to hit next, right? And this opens. I'm going to come here. How do you want to create your website? With WordPress or with Hostinger? With Hostinger website builder. Again, we're going to be using this Hostinger website builder because it's beginner friendly. So I'm going to select this guy and I'm going to hit next. Now, this is where you choose your domain name. What domain name do you want to use for this website? So I'm going to say use a temporary domain. I'm going to show you how to claim your free domain in a while. So use a temporary domain. So we have finished our setup. Let AI create your website in minutes. I'm going to say start creating, or you can use pre-made templates. So there are templates that Hostinger gives you that will help you create these websites in minutes. But I'm going to be letting AI create it for us by the click of a button. So I'm going to click on start creating, right? And that's the first click. Now it's going to ask me what type of website do you want to create? I'm going to come here and say I want to create an online store, right? There's a whole lot of other websites I can actually create: business showcase, online store, landing page, blog, portfolio, restaurant, wedding invitation, others. So I want to create specifically an online store. What's the brand name, right? Online Hustle Store. Description. Here we're going to be giving it a few sentences which include the colors and fonts you actually like to use for your website. So I have written one. I'm going to just paste it in. And this is what I said. I need an online store that specializes in selling iPhones. The design should be sleek, modern, and reflect the premium nature of Apple products. The website should include a clean homepage with featured iPhone models, categories for different iPhone versions, example iPhone 12, 13, 14, and a section for customer review and testimonials. Each product page should have high quality images, detailed description, pricing options, and add to cart button. The checkout process needs to be simple and secure with multiple payment options, credit card, PayPal, etc. I also include a customer support chat feature and link to social media account. The website should be fully optimized for mobile. That's the instruction I've actually given it right now. So this great description. I'm going to come here, personalize settings, colors, and all of those things. I'm going to use surprise me. Let AI actually surprise us and give us the colors that it feels is going to be best for us. So I'm going to come here and hit create a website. And this is the point where we actually fold our hands and let AI do its job of creating a full-fledged website for us, literally. So while this is happening, guys, if you're getting invited for this video, I'm looking forward to seeing exactly what this AI is going to create for us right now. I want to encourage you guys right now to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button if you've not done that. So when I drop more amazing video just like what you're watching right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly. Guess what it is done? It has created this for us: premium iPhones, shop now, discover, buy, join now, and all of those, right? iPhone models, explore our premium selection of latest iPhone models and all. iPhone 12, iPhone 13. This is the store page. So what we need to do is literally replace this with iPhone images, right? And this is the testimonial section that we actually talked about. He has given it to us. Contact us section. This way we put our phone numbers, our email address, of course, comes here, and of course the footer with social media pages, right? Creating a website that looks like this would cost you about $2,000 on Fiverr, but this AI has actually done it for us. And not just that, it is giving us a domain name for free for a complete 1 year. That is simply amazing. So what we need to do right now, we can actually come and start editing this, add our logo right here, our home, shop, reviews, fill out all these blanks. So I'm going to come here and look at the mobile version, right? This is also mobile responsive, like we actually told it. It has done the job for us. So let's come back to our preview mode for the desktop version and hit on edit. Now this is where we actually edit everything with our own text to actually make it look exactly the way we want it to look. and it's going to bring us to this interface so we can actually edit anything that is on this screen right now. Let's say, for instance, I want to say change this from premium iPhones to the best iPhones, quality iPhones, right? You can actually change this like this, easy peasy. You can change, discover the latest iPhone models today. Discover the best iPhone models today. I'm going to say change this quality latest to best iPhone models today. This buy button, you can actually change it to whatever you want to change it to. Right, I'm going to be leaving it the way it is. You can add sections right here if you want to, but I don't have any need to do that. Another thing we might want to do is to write a description, for this iPhone 12 and this as well, and change this image to an image of an iPhone 12. Okay, so let's do that real quick. So I'm going to come here and I want to edit this. I just click here. I select everything here. I'm going to select everything right here, highlight everything and drop our description for the iPhone 12. I'm going to do the same thing for the iPhone 13. I actually wrote a description for the iPhone 14. So I'm going to change this to iPhone 14 and of course get our description. Select everything here, Control V. That's the description for the iPhone 13, literally. So I'm going to drag this down a bit so that this overlays here, right? I'm going to do the same thing for this guy as well. So I write a description for the iPhones basically. So the next thing we need to do is to find the pictures of these iPhones. I actually put it right here. So I'm going to click on this image. We want to change this image, right? You can edit or generate image. So let's use generate image. I'm going to click here. Generate a picture of an iPhone 12 in an awesome background. I'm going to say create images, right? So this is the point where we actually wait for this AI to actually do the job for us. You see, we just point and click a button and it does everything for us, easy peasy. So this is awesome. So I'm going to click on this, right, and it replaces this guy, right? So let's do the same thing for this one as well, right? This is the iPhone 14. I'm going to say back to form, right? Let's copy this guy, Control C. Then I'm going to click this guy and say generate, click on generate and do the same thing with this guy, but I'm going to say create for iPhone 14 this time around. I'm going to say generate image. So it's going to generate a realistic image for the iPhone 14 that is actually amazing, right? I actually love what they did with the iPhone 12 and it's going to do the same thing or something better for the iPhone 14. So I think this is nice, right? This is like way up there. So I'm going to click on this guy and it comes into this place and I'm going to say back to form or just close this generator. It has done an amazing job for us, right? It has done an amazing job for us. So before we work on this online store, let's go and fix our logo, right? We don't have a logo right now. So I'm going to click on our logo. I click on it and it comes right here, our logo. I'm going to say create a unique logo with AI again. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to say create a logo for our online store called Online Hustle. Find a way to combine O and H. So I'm going to come here and say corporate, eco-friendly or natural, minimalistic, any type of logo that you want. Let's go with minimalistic, right? I'm going to say create. And it's going to create a logo for us, literally. So this is creating logos right now. So we're just going to give it a while to complete. See how easy it is. This is basically we point and we click. We click a button and an action actually happens. It is that simple, guys. I don't think I like what it did for us. So let's just go with corporate and say create. So let's say I want to stick with this, right? I'm going to hit download. To download this logo, I can hit the edit button and actually edit it in a little further. So I'm going to hit download and this gets downloaded to my local computer right now. So we're done with the logo. Let's go back to our design and actually add our logo right here, right now. So I'm going to click on this, right? I'm going to come here and say replace image. So I'm going to replace this image and let's go find our logo. I'm going to upload our logo by clicking on upload, right? And selecting our logo where it is. So I'm going to select our logo and of course the favicon that it created for us. For those of you who don't know, favicon is this icon, this logo icon that shows up on the tab of every browser. Right, that is favicon. So this is our logo right here. I'm going to select our logo and our logo comes into this space. Okay, so you can resize this logo with this from here, resize it, or you can have a logo that have Online Hustle beside it, right? It has the logo and it also has the company name. You can do all of that. So I'm going to leave this alone. So let's go back and fix our product, right? So I'm going to come here and hit manage product. So we're going to be managing our products right now. So what country is your store in? The United States. Let's say our store is in the United States and the currency is in US dollars. So I'm going to hit continue. You can set up your payment provider to start accepting payment. Just click on this place and set up a payment provider, whether Stripe, whatever it is that you have. You can connect your Stripe account. You can use manual payment, cash on delivery and all of those things. You can actually set all of those things up. You can also connect your PayPal address or the local, right? So what we want to fix our products, this is what we're going to do. We're going to come to product, and it's going to show us all the products that is available right now. So what we need to do is to come here and edit this product, premium iPhone models. We're going to hit edit. This is where you add the image of your product. I'm going to say iPhone 16, premium iPhone 16 Pro Max, available. Subtitle of the product, we put it here, ribbon, put it right here. This is the description of the product. You can also use an AI writer to write this for us. My product is iPhone 16 Pro Max. I'm going to say generate text. And of course, it's going to write a description for us, literally. So it says the iPhone 16 Pro Max, the latest flagship smartphone from Apple and blah, blah, blah. So it has written this for us just by the click of a button, literally. So the next thing is this particular image right here. You can delete this image and add your own, and that's exactly what we're going to be doing. So we need to add an image of our product. I'm going to come here and select the image of an iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is it right here. And this is going to be added to our store right now. This is loading up right now. So this has been added to our store. So there's additional info section. You can actually add that. You can add your product or store policies. Now you can also put pricing, price tag enabled. Let's say this phone is $1,099. Discount price. Let's say the price is $2,000, and you are selling it at $1,699. SKU price, you can actually put this weight. You can put the weight of the phone if let's say it's weight 10 or whatever. Track quantity, you can want to be able to track how many you have in stock. Let's say you have like 50 pieces, you can actually put it right here. So once the order is going, this website tracks the quantity automatically for you, right? Other options, you can put them here, custom fields, all of these are all optional. So I'm going to save this product right now, right? We have this product saved right now. So if you close this right now, it's going to bring us back to our homepage, and we can preview what has been done. You see premium iPhone 16 Pro Max, $1,699. The price is $2,000. Discount price is $1,699. This is it right here. And these are all the other ones. So you can use the exact same method to fix all of this other stuff, right? It is that easy, and you can do this for anything at all, and you can create any type of website with this AI builder from Hostinger. This is the testimonial section. Also, this is the contact us section. This place you can actually come here and put your phone number. Let's say your phone number is plus 786-543 blah blah blah. Let's say this is our phone number and email address. You can also edit this, right? And of course, this is the form. Also make sure that this actually works, right? Come here and fix this. You can edit social icons. Click here, and you can add the link to your Facebook account, the link to your Instagram page, the link to your TikTok page, and the link to your X account, right? I can actually fix all of that right here. So I'm going to leave that alone for now. And this is where you put your phone number, right? Your email address comes here again. And of course, all of this, right? You can also set this up. Can I edit this form? And you can also view the form submissions right here. So it's easy, right? Everything you get from a website that is built by a professional, that is what this has done for us in just a few seconds, right? So let's say we are done editing our website. We want to connect our domain, the free domain that we got from Hostinger. You can just come here, click on connect domain. For every online store built with the Hostinger AI, there is 0% transaction fee. This means that you are not charged a percentage for every transaction that happens on your online store. No other platform out there offers this. Go and check. It is very important that when you are starting out, that you keep 100% of your profit. That will definitely help you grow as a business. So this is where we connect our domain, right? It shows you the domain that we actually own. So I'm going to click on this domain because I own it. So I'm going to hit next. It says domain is connected. Beautiful. If we go to our domain name right now, it is going to show us this. Let's go and fix this. So I'm going to come back right here and go back to Hostinger Builder. Our domain name is connected. That's why it says connected right here. So the next thing we need to do is to save everything that we've done. If you've not done that, then hit preview to preview everything that we've done. And if we like it, we can go live right now. So I'm going to come here and click on go live. And this will get our website published on the internet, So it says your site is now live. Congrats. So we can click on this place and it's going to take us to our domain name, and our website is live right now, as you can see on my phone screen right now. So this is our shop. We go to our shop. It shows us everything that is on our shop. This is the one that we edited. You see, it's right here and it works perfectly fine. If we come here right now and click on this place, it's going to show us details about this particular product, which is an iPhone right now. So you look at the details right here, and of course we can add to bag. Once you click on add to bag, it adds to your bag. You see, and this is it right here. This is your bag. You can click your bag and click on checkout. Remember that we did not set up our payments, so we cannot accept payments orders right now because we didn't set up our payments, right? If we had done that, you would have been able to collect payment for us easily, seamlessly. So if we come here to reviews, it is going to see all the reviews that have been left on our website. This is it right here. 11 Pro, John Doe. Can actually change this John Doe name and change all of these things, right? And even add more feedbacks, as much as you want, okay? So that's something that we can do, right? Support as well. People can contact us through this form, and you can view this form, the content of this form, and of course you can also change this and put the location of your business where it is located, right? The checkout process, you can edit everything right here to the T easily. You see our logo. Something else we've not done is our favicon, right? The icon that shows right here. So let's go fix that. So I'm going to come here, click on general settings, and it's going to bring us right here. Look at the favicon. So I'm going to click here and select add image and select our favicon. So I'm going to come here, go to upload. Remember how we created it with AI. So this is our favicon right here. Double tap it and it's going to load up right here. Once it's done loading, we're going to select it. We're going to hit select and of course save changes. And if we come here right now and refresh this guy, our favicon should show up right here. Now, sometimes it might delay because it takes a while to actually load up. So you can automatically also add www prefix to your website. Whenever it loads, you can actually add that by clicking on this place. Our favicon is here, very well, working fine. So everything is saved. So let's close this. Now, the Hostinger AI Builder also gives us a lot of integrations, right? You can come here and there's a whole lot of things you can actually integrate. You can integrate custom code. You can also integrate Google Analytics, Hotjar, Facebook pixels for adverts, retargeting adverts and stuff, Google Tag Manager, WhatsApp codes, AdSense code. If you want AdSense ads on your website, you can actually integrate that from here. And of course, Google AdMob. If you want adverts on mobile, you can also integrate that from here. Right, these are some of the integrations that it has. You can also view all the submissions from your forms right here, right, from form submissions. Then there's also analytics that shows you exactly what's going on behind the scene of your website. Site sessions, unique visitors, you can actually toggle between 3 days, 7 days, 30 days, everything is right here, right? Everything is right here. So another thing that it has is this SEO settings that helps you with SEO on your website. So you can use this AI SEO assist to generate new SEO info. You can say page description, discover, this is it right here. You can say next step, and it's going to create something for you. Again, I want to latest iPhones, online store, detailed description. Okay, so next step. This is what he has done for us. If we like it, we can click on finish, or we can basically go write our own and bring it into this space, right? Hide page from search results. If you want to do that, of course, toggle this on and it's going to do that for you. You can also add keywords, add new keywords right here. You can change your SEO title from here. Your meta description, you can also change this from here as well. Then the product pages also, you can edit that, right? So let's come here and go to the main pages. This is for the support page, which is this page that has support. You can actually edit what shows here, the slug URL supports, right? Or contact us, whatever you want to change it to. Reviews, right? You can also edit that, add your meta description for the reviews page and your SEO title for that particular page as well, right? You can also add keyword for that particular page. Then shop, your shop, yeah, you can have iPhones, iPhone 15, iPhone 16 Pro Max, so you can have all of those keywords right here. You can also edit the SEO title right here. And of course, the meta description, the slug for that URL, the slug for the URL, you can take it from shop, to maybe shop with us or whatever you want in this URL. When people come and click on shop, what shows right here? This shows shop. That is because you have shop right here. If you change it for something else, this is going to change to that exact same thing that you actually change it to. That's how easy it is, right? So the home page, which we have worked on before, right? This is what shows on the home page. It doesn't have a slug. Is the default of your domain name, and that is exactly how easy it is to get all of this done with the AI Web Builder from Hostinger. Easy peasy. Another thing I want to bring to your attention is this AI assistant media library. Then this multi-language support. It means that you can actually have your language available in multiple languages. You can select a starting language, right? Let's say, for instance, you want to stick with English, our starting language, and new languages will duplicate content from your website's starting language. This works best when you have a finished website in your starting language. Automatically, new languages will duplicate contents from your starting language. So you need to finish your website in your starting language. You can manage backups and you can also export your content to WordPress. Easy peasy. And there's also a whole lot of resources right here to actually help you with every challenge that you might have. So to get started, all you need to do is to click on the first link in my video description. Once you click on it, it is going to bring you to the Hostinger page. Go ahead and choose a plan. And like I said, I will recommend the business plan because it has a whole lot of things to offer you, including the free domain name and of course the AI website builder from Hostinger. So once you've done that, set up an account, log into your account and do exactly what you have seen me do, and I can assure you that you're going to be getting the exact same result. If you have any challenges at all, let me know in the comment section, as I'm not going to be hesitating to answer all of your questions, guys. So I want to say a very big thank you again for watching the video from beginning to the very end. So I made a video previously about 5 websites that will pay you every 24 hours, and that's the video showing up right here, right now. So thank you again for watching the video from beginning to the very end, and until I see my next video, guys, keep winning, and don't forget that Gerald does love you guys. Bye from here, guys.